Do you ever find yourself struggling to breathe? Feeling like every breath is a challenge? Feeling exhausted even after a full night's sleep? You're not alone. Millions of people experience these symptoms daily. Hi, I'm here to talk about Lung Expand Pro, a natural lung health supplement designed to help you breathe easier, feel more energized, and reclaim your life. This revolutionary product is changing lives. Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. No more struggling to catch your breath or feeling drained before your day even begins. Picture yourself enjoying a walk in the park, playing with your grandkids, or engaging in your favorite activities without any limitations. Or even just sleeping peacefully through the night, knowing your lungs are functioning at their best. That's the power of Lung Expand Pro. It's not just a supplement, it's a life changer. This incredible supplement is packed with a blend of herbal extracts, enzymes and vitamins, including loabo extract, ivy extract, mullein extract, coltsfoot extract, serratiopeptidase, peppermint essential oil, and vitamin D3. Each ingredient is carefully selected for its unique benefits. These natural ingredients work together to improve your breathing quality and enhance your lung function. Imagine the relief of taking a deep, satisfying breath. But don't just take my word for it. Listen to our satisfied customers. Our customers have shared amazing testimonials about how Lung Expand Pro has changed their lives. They've experienced transformations they never thought possible. One user said, "I can finally take deep breaths without discomfort and my energy levels have skyrocketed." Another shared, "I used to struggle with respiratory issues, but now I can keep up with my grandkids and enjoy life again." These stories are just a glimpse of the impact Lung Expand Pro can have on your life. Now let's talk about the science behind Lung Expand Pro. Understanding the science helps you appreciate the power of this supplement. These powerful ingredients are known for their respiratory benefits. They have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Loabo extract and ivy extract help clear your airways, making breathing easier and more efficient. While mullein and coltsfoot extracts support lung health by soothing and protecting your respiratory system. Serratiopeptidase, an enzyme, reduces inflammation, which is crucial for maintaining healthy lungs. And peppermint essential oil soothes your respiratory system, providing a refreshing and calming effect. Finally, vitamin D3 boosts your immune system, ensuring overall wellness and helping your body fight off infections. And here's the best part. Lung Expand Pro comes with a risk-free, 60-day money-back guarantee. We believe in our product and want you to experience its benefits without any risk. If you don't experience the benefits, you get your money back. No questions asked. Your satisfaction is our priority. So, if you're ready to breathe freely again and unlock your lungs' potential, click the link below to discover Lung Expand Pro. Take control of your respiratory health today. Take the first step towards a healthier, more energetic life. Your journey to better breathing starts now. Remember, deeper breathing means more energy and a better quality of life. Don't let poor lung health hold you back any longer. Thanks for watching, and here's to a breath of fresh air with Lung Expand Pro. Breathe better, live better.